स्वादी खाओ। कोई मेरे को स्वादी खाओ क्यों नहीं बोल रहा है? आई वांट कि हम यहाँ थाईलैंड आए हैं। ओके नाउ व्यू फॉर यू इन 3, 2, 1। So we're staying at the Sheraton Koh Samui. I'll try to record like a nice shot capturing the main places of the property, and I'll try to include it in the vlog. If not, please forgive me for that. But all in all, the first impressions of this place is it's really really nice. A nice cozy beach paradise. It's a small island, so that's the vibe we're getting so far. Abhi, we were so tired when we had checked in, so we chucked our luggage. I took a quick shower. We thought that if we sleep now, nobody's gonna wake up before 3-4 hours. So we decided to go to the beach. They have a nice infinity pool scene over there. So we'll go there, have a couple of drinks, and then maybe come back and get a nap. So that's the plan so far. Let's go. So in Koh Samui, the most happening place is called the Chawang Beach. And where we are staying right now is called Chawang Noi. It's like a bit quieter place than the main Chawang Beach or the Chawang Street. So the best part about it, it's a 7-kilometer long beach, all white sand. You can easily go in the water, crystal clear water, turquoise color, it's beautiful. But the reason that we selected this place was that we also wanted some quiet time. Because this Chawang Street can get so crazy at night. I was watching a couple of videos before coming here. It's like the it place. It's a family trip, so we wanted like a bit of both. So yeah, that's why we chose this place. If any of you are planning a trip to Koh Samui, January, February, March, April is the best time to come here. Try to stay near the Chawang Beach. That would be my recommendation. Don't you feel whenever we go to a coastal place, we hardly sit at the beach? Maybe एक या दो दिन हम जाके थोड़ी देर बैठते हैं at a restaurant. We have our lunch, breakfast, and we come back. The whole point of a beach vacation is just to be on the beach like a snail, do nothing, read your book, have a beer, nadal pani, get a massage done. That's how we should do coastal trips. इससे पहले गोवा भी गए थे. 2 दिन हम मसे गए हैं वहाँ पे. बाकी पूरे दिन इधर उधर ये होजा जाना है, यहाँ जाना है, वहाँ जाना है. So it's better if we just do nothing. I'm so good even if we just stay at the resort and do nothing also.
Yeah. But you don't like doing nothing. You keep
But
wanting
I'm trying to become
you
a.
want to play with the ball. You want to play with something else.
I'm trying to become a quaint lover. Is that even a word?
Quaint lover.
I'm trying to become a.
No, you're trying to appreciate the quiet.
Yes, I'm
The
trying to
quiet life.
appreciate the quiet, the slow life, I'd say. Yeah. So चलो बहुत ज्ञान दे दिया. Now it's time for me to show you the view and the beach, how it looks. So चलो let's go. Since the property is so big, you can't. You can though, but it'll be a long walk. So these are the golf carts that you have to take and go wherever you want to go.
Wow, are there birds here? No, there
Oh!
are birds. Of course they are. Look at the birds. ये वातावरण कितना सुंदर है.
But ये आवाजें तो बहुत आ रही हैं ऐसे
ये
ये
cricket
nature
है.
sound. Oh.
भाई एक यहाँ पे
But this
competition
place
करते
is
हैं,
really
बहुत
really green. ऐसा लग रहा है forest के अंदर रुके हैं. Like what is this sound? ये काटते वाटते तो नहीं है? We just reached their beach and just look how beautiful it looks.
And how calm, right? It's not even very.
अभी वहाँ अच्छे से अंदर जाके अच्छे से दिखाता हूँ, बट बहुत सुंदर है गाइस, बहुत सुंदर है. 100% recommend Sheraton Koh Samui to everybody. So there are 2 Chewang places. One is Chewang Noi and one is the main Chewang.
Oh, is
We are staying at the Chewang Noi,
Okay.
which is a bit calmer also. स्वादी खाओ. कोई मेरे को स्वादी खाओ क्यों नहीं बोल रहा है? आई वांट कि हम यहाँ थाईलैंड आए हैं. मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था आते ही लोग बोलेंगे स्वादी खाओ. So it's an important decision. बीच या बार?
Bar, first the bar.
बार पे वही जाके बियर शेयर पियेंगे, वो बीच पे जाके स्विमिंग करेंगे, मजा आएगा.
ये भी pool है भाई.
So the bar.
Look at that pool also.
बहुत सुंदर है. Let me enjoy the views and then I'll record it for you guys. Okay, now view for you in 3, 2, 1. I mean, I can literally see the white sand at least 100 meters from the shore, and it's so clear. Can't wait to go inside. पता है हर बार यही होता है. I always say I don't think my camera is able to do the justice or not. I think I should invest in a nice camera now. But the water is so clean. But I remember I went to Andamans back in 2014, and I thought that I'll never find any beach that was so clear as the Radhanagar beach or the Elephant beach. But this is somewhat similar. It's really beautiful. I hope you guys can make out how beautiful it looks. Thodi energy lao guys, mom, dad. After eating. That. Cheers. Okay, now it's time to go in the water, but the sand is so hot, that we'll have to make a run for it. Well, it's too hot. But good thing is I think the water will be a little warm, not too cold. It'll be perfect for us to go and get a dip. Alright, here we go. Nice outfit, guys. Cap. Thank you.
I thought when you went underwear and said that nice outfit that
I got shocked.
तुम्हारे वाले डार्क है ना हमारा प्लेन है
We are done with our beach day. I think it's 5 o'clock right now. We came here around 12. So good 4-5 hours spent at the beach. We went into the water. It was so crystal clear. We had like the best time in the water. I don't think I've been to a better ocean which was so clear. And pani ज़्यादा ठंडा भी नहीं था. So that was also an added benefit. But the ocean, how was the ocean? Very nice. बहुत सुंदर था. Yeah. So everybody's in their room, everybody's taking a nap, and the two warriors,
No, and everybody who's been following his vlogs, you know that this is our niche life. You know that this is what we do. We go to new places and then we go to their marts and then we buy stuff and then we hold up on it.
and stuff and what do you have to buy me? Beach
Games
toys.
and games and
And beach toys.
क्योंकि अब ना
So ये
sand
हमारी-
castle कैसे बनाएगा?
So ये हमारी unsaid एक treaty है हमने
Unsaid नहीं है,
sign
he
की.
says it multiple times.
So yeah, we headed to 7-Eleven. It's a 3-minute walk from our hotel.
How
तो
do
भाई
you know?
गार्ड से पूछा था. So ये अच्छी बात है that our hotel is very centrally located. हमें ज़्यादा चलने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. But weather कितना सही हो रहा है यार. दोपहर को ऐसे humid ऐसे चिप हो रहा था, but now it's fine. So I've always seen Thailand 7-Eleven videos on Instagram and YouTube. There's some banana milk I remember I used to came up on my feed. I think it's this one, but it doesn't look very pleasing. So I'm still thinking. ये रहा Meiji इसमें banana लगा हुआ है.
Should be. Shall I try?
And welcome back. It's 10:15 p.m. right now. All of us knew that once we hit the bed, we're not going to wake up in the next hour or so. So all of us had like a 2.5 hour, almost 3 hours nap. And now all of us are up. All the restaurants that we had made a list of all of them are usually shut by 11 p.m. And only some rare places like the Walking Street and the Chaiwang Street and all, they're open till late. But our night market lagi nahi hai. So we're just quickly headed to 7-Eleven. दोपहर हो गए थे, बहुत पास है. We'll grab something to eat and drink. And then ask the hotel people, because जहाँ पे हम दोपहर हो गए थे, that entire beach had like a huge coastline. We'll see if we find something nice, or if not, then we'll sit at the restaurant of our hotel only. Okay, so change of plans. हम उठे and then it took us 20 minutes or something to actually wake up. Then we went to 7-Eleven. We grabbed something to eat and drink. And now we're headed to the Chaiwang Street. We asked the reception that is there any restaurant nearby which is open till late. So they said for that you have to go to the Chaiwang Street. So that is where we headed right now. Street is supposed to be the happening place here. So full of expectations.
Yes,
Let's see.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
कुछ और भी बोल लो यार.
So
Let's
I'm
go.
looking forward to. I want to have some shrimps. I want to have some nice cocktails, preferably tequila, whatever it is. Mom and Dad have decided to call it an early night tonight so that they want to be up and raring for tomorrow. So let's see where the night takes us.
And एकदम ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम एकदम थोड़े से डेड एरिया से एकदम लाइवली एरिया आ गए, right?
Yeah.
This is so lit.
Very much so. Wow, Punjabi food. इतना लिट तो हमने कहीं पे भी नहीं देखा होगा जितना हमने चवांग में देखा है.
Place is completely buzzing. There are so many bars, so much happening here. We're trying to find a nice place to sit. It's too loud. Okay, so we've selected this place called the Arc Bar. It's a beach club. So we're going here finally. Thank you. But ये जगह बहुत happening है. Like there are so many bars with live music and a lot of things are happening.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight it is now midnight and Mellow is celebrating their birthday. Is there anybody from Europe?
तो जहाँ मैं आज बोली थी होटल, वो इसका फैंसियर वर्जन है.
So some kind of fire show is happening. But बहुत सी जगह है, no doubt. मतलब you can come here after having your dinner. Once you're done.
This is like a day beach club also. Like you just come hang out at the pool and then you sort of make yourself around here.
जैसे हमारे होटल में it was like more like quaint and quiet. यहाँ पे it's like more like dik chik. हमारे वहाँ पे तो गाने वाने भी नहीं बजते थे, but very शांत type. So you can come here after your drinks just to have a drink or two, because they don't serve you food if you're coming after 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock के बाद there's no food concept here. क्या जगह ढूंढी है मैंने?
मैंने ढूंढी है. These guys, okay, no, just to give everybody context. Pallavi and Abhinav wanted to stop at the first place that they saw, which was this really super shady bar, which smelled like tea. There were like some 17 bars in one place. But Purva Devi prevailed. Oh! Is that what Abhinav really looks like, guys? Let's pan to the camera. ये तो edit हो जाएगा. क्या ही कर सकते हैं?
ये क्या होगा?
Editors are now mortally and
No,
absolutely
I have
so
201
very-
subscribers, not
No,
200
no,
subscribers.
no,
So
yeah, the guy-
Purva Didi is mocking
okay, no,
me
guys,
that.
first let me just tell you, let me just give you an update. There was a random dude who tried to take his jersey, and no, and Abhinav encouraged such behavior. Let me tell you that. Showdown
Yeah.
sort of a thing right on the street.
But
So,
I won in the end.
Thailand.
Yeah.
In your face and in your eyes. Our cheek will be in your eyes.
Okay, so we're done with the Arc Club. Now we're hunting for places to eat.
यार यहाँ पे एक तबूला रास्ता था.
Let's go. But I want some nice wok Chinese. वो मिलेगा ना यहाँ
I want burger. I want hot dog.
पे? बुर्जर कहाँ मिलेगा?
थोड़ा मेरे को carbs चाहिए भाई.
Okay. Let's see. McDonald's है. We can go to McDonald's. Now we're trying to figure out a place to eat. Okay, Okay, so that's it for day one. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't right now. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.